Ooh, we really need to cut this long. It's bad. Soon. I have yet to put the new back terrible on. I'll probably do that today.
Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to
Y'all, I found this in my coffee table. So it has like storage there, and it was in there. I'm so embarrassed. What is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy planner, Instagram, YouTube, all the social media. But today is gonna be a vlog day. My plan is to vlog. I don't know if it's gonna be a vlog day or a vlog week when this is gonna go up, but I did post a video yesterday. It was a planner video. It was actually my setup video. It took me a while to actually finally finalize it, to set it up right the way I felt like worked for me, but it finally came together. I think it looks good. It's upstairs right now because I'm currently working downstairs, but I'm on my lunch. I just had my lunch. I showed you all my lunch. It was actually really good. I don't know what else we're gonna do today. I feel like, gosh, this is like where I struggle when it comes to vlogs, is that I love talking to a camera. I love sitting and chatting and doing the things, but my life is not super busy. Like, I literally have work. I work from home. It's not like I have to leave my house. Matthew also works from home. We both work from home. So there's really not much going on, like, other than like just the occasional chore that we have to do here and there. Like, that's really it. So let me know, like, if there's anything that I like. At the same time, I guess I know that I could, if I wanted to, is actually make like more curated content, like actually plan out a video and say like, I'm gonna do these 5 things and I'm gonna share these 5 things. But I'm like, I feel like that's not the point of a vlog. I feel like the point of a vlog is actually showing you my day-to-day life, and my day-to-day life is not curated. It's not like these 5 things that I'm doing. So one of the things that I thought about doing when I was brainstorming was, why don't we do a like checking things off my planner? So like I could maybe incorporate my planner like hobby, the way I use it for myself, the way I use it to help me, and plan out my day, kind of like, these are the things that I'm gonna do, and I show you all, like I take you all along with me to do those things, whether it's like just simple as work or like errands, or you know, maybe it's cleaning the house. Like, it's just like checking things off together. I don't know, I feel like that would be kind of fun, and maybe it would encourage or motivate someone to get things done and use their planner. I know a lot of us struggle with that, so I think that would be, I don't know, I think that would be fun. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I'm watching YouTube right now. I love YouTube. I love creating content, but I'm also a huge consumer of content. Like, I watch vlogs like more than I would watch like TV. So it's just like, I don't know, I just enjoy it so much. So I'm currently watching YouTube and just hanging out because I'm on lunch. I have a full hour of lunch, but yeah, and I also brought my headphones down because I thought about listening to an audiobook. Right now, work is a little slow. I completed what I needed to complete this morning. So I had 2 appointments and some prep work that I needed to do, checking my emails. Like, I had a busy morning, but all of that is done with. So now like we're entering into like the slower part of the day. So I don't know, I figured I could listen to an audiobook while still like working. I actually wanted to listen to Culpa Mia and Culpa Tuya. Where's my remote control? So I don't know if y'all know what that is, but Culpa Mia is a movie that's on Prime, but it's based off a book. And it is kind of like a little, I don't know, like I watched the movie first, so it's definitely like, I liked the movie, I enjoyed it, but it was kind of weird in the way of like the love story was like not the best, But now come like the second movie came out on the 27th, I'm like, oh, it's kind of like starting to make a little bit more sense. Not that it didn't the first movie, but I'm curious to read the books. I wanted to read the books, but I'm like, like, I don't know, just something about like reading right now, like sitting and reading when like life is, I shouldn't say busy, but I have a lot going on. Not, what's the word? I have a lot of things to do as far as like house upkeep, things like I need to put away the Christmas tree. I want to like clean out the house. Like there's like a lot of little things that I want to do. So I figured I could get into those books and be productive while listening to the books, as opposed to like having to sit and read, which is always fun, but not what I need right now. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and watch some YouTube, and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. But welcome to my channel. I love you guys. Thank you for watching Vlogmas. I appreciate y'all. I always have fun doing Vlogmas. It's like my little, I guess you can say, challenge to myself in December. It gets me through the hardest month for me. December and really the winter months are a little hard for me because I feel like it's like a depressing months. So, and also with the holidays, it's a lot of pressure to feel the joy if you don't feel that joy. Does that make sense? I feel like that doesn't make any sense. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up. I'll talk to y'all later. So good. Have a little bit of a downtime, so I figured I could do this. I already have my little baguette out here, and I'm using it for my little hands, my wrist, and it's been really nice. But I want to try to install these to see how they'll work. So it's these little keycaps, and I thought we could do that together. So let's go. I just turned my yeah, I should probably put it in just to make sure it's not connected to my computer and I'm not moving stuff around. So let's go ahead and do this. I'll probably do, I guess, like maybe like ASMR style or something. And this is my first time doing this, so I don't know necessarily like exactly what I'm doing, but we're gonna try this out together. So let's go.
Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us.
And it looks so cute. Anyways, I have to say I'm obsessed with my keyboard. It looks so cute and colorful and it makes me so happy. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to work.
Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys.
Here's why I need to buy more pillows. But you know, at least we have a comforter that fits. So yay. So you guys, one of the things that I've been doing while I've been having like breaks here and there is prepping for 2025. So I'm obviously going to use my Happy Planner. I'll actually make a video of that pretty soon. Probably like, honestly, maybe that'll be the next video. Oh no, my scalp looks so bad. I talked about it and I'm starting, like, it's like scabbing, like it hurts, it's painful. Anyways, I have to go to my dermatologist, that's besides the point. But I wanted to keep a digital planner. At least that's what I'm thinking about. I had a digital planner and I kept up with the digital planner for like 6 months or so in 2023. 2024 was just a bad year when it comes to planners. So I really am thinking about like making it a goal for myself for 2025 to try to keep a digital planner either on GoodNotes or Notion. I have both apps. And I got the paid version back in 2023 for GoodNotes. And for Notion, I have a couple templates that I like. I have one that I made myself that I really like. What's really good about both apps, GoodNotes and Notion, is that you can open them up on either like your phone, you can open it up on your computer, on your iPad, whatever it is that you want. GoodNotes gives you a little bit more of customization. Like you can, I mean, also with like kind of the same thing with Notion, I guess, but I feel like it's more of a like a website platform than like it try to mimic the idea of like a paper. So like with GoodNotes, like I made myself like a little cover. I bought this planner from Allie Marie Digital. I'll link her stuff down below. I love her planners. She's a good friend, which I met through the planner community, but it has like an index. I kind of like rearranged it to fit like my needs, but it has the 2025 calendar, important dates, and then I changed it up to go directly into the yearly vision board, yearly goals, and then right into January. I'm still debating on switching like the vision board and the calendar, so having the vision board before the calendar, but then it goes into the overview and then the weekly layout. I'm not using daily on the planner on the digital version. That's something that I can do on my planner because the layout that I use is the productivity layout, so it has like time slots. So I don't think it's like necessary to have something like a daily planner when I have something like this. So that is my own personal opinion, but why isn't it closing? Oh no. But that's why I got rid of the daily layouts in GoodNotes. Now that is something I'm planning on using for 2025. I also do have Notion. Now, Notion is a great app, like if you're, I don't know, like more of a like work, have your job where you have to be like logged in, if you don't want to do like a lot of paper planning or take a lot of time like writing in your stuff, like customizing it, because I feel like GoodNotes, although it's a really good app, it sometimes can be a little bit tedious and a little bit time consuming to make it look the way you want it to look. And something like on Notion, it looks more like something like that. And you have like it can kind of like, you can customize it. It's pretty good. I mean, I like it. You can kind of customize it to your needs. Like I have weekly priorities, to-do list, daily check-ins, 2025 goals, so on and so forth. I also do have content ideas, brain dump, brand deals, content strategy. I am trying to take my social media content creation a little bit more serious. So with that being said, I want to keep track of it somewhere. So these are what I'm using Notion for, is stuff that I would need to reference more often. So stuff like content ideas is a place that I can keep like a running list and be able to like check it off. So for example, it looks like that. So I can actually write down, like I wrote down an example that I actually want to do is a morning planner routine, and then it has like a content pillar, inspo. If I find anybody that has something similar to that in my research time, I can link that there and use it as reference, notes, and then I can also maybe add a column where I can write down the date that I completed it in. It would also be great to have a section where I can link the content that I created, just so I can go back to reference it and see if I actually like completed it. So that's, you know, just stuff that I'm trying to do, and I feel like that's not something that I'm able to do as good on like a paper planner. So I don't know, I'm trying to use like technology to my advantage in the year of 2025. So that's kind of what I've been doing these past couple of hours. I have my iPad plugged in. I did charge my MacBook because I want to go in and actually edit some of my Notion and be able to, I guess, figure out how I'm going to arrange that. But yeah, I wanted to just update you all. I'm still currently working. I have maybe like a couple hours. No, I have like an hour and a half left and I'm almost done. Except work has been super slow. Oh no, let me pause this. Anyways, I wanted to go ahead and give you all that update. I think for now, I don't really have much else. I'm kind of looking through all of my planners and everything that I have to figure out what I'm gonna use, what I'm not gonna use. Also wanna, I guess, honestly start my year on a good note. Make sure that my space is clean, that everything around me is ready to go. I'm also planning on, probably tomorrow, is making my vision board. So I'm gonna make a video on that so y'all can see how I make my vision board. Look, a hot mess, but I figured I would show you all a little something that I got. So for Christmas, I had to use my mom's crock pot because mine is literally like as big as my head, like it's tiny. So not saying that I have a small head, but it's small for a crock pot. So I decided I was gonna buy myself one, and I saw this one on sale at Best Buy. It's the Bella Pro 5 quarts. So, oh my gosh, I just realized how bad I look. I don't know, at this point y'all are used to me, so whatever, right? Anyways, let's go ahead and pull it out. Oh my gosh, it's actually really heavy. Okay, I think this is actually kind of small. I don't know, let's see. So my mom's is huge. I would assume hers is the 6 quart. Yeah, definitely the 6 quart. But I feel like 5 will be good enough and big enough for me. So I think I'm still gonna keep it, especially because it was only $30. So $30 I feel like is a really reasonable price for a really nice crock pot. And I know we can make use of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it. But look how cute it is, you guys. But look how pretty it is. It's like a beige color. It's really pretty. And then obviously the inside, and we have the lid. Nice. This is quite fancy. Oh, how does this work? Oh, it does have these like little like knob looking things. It has these like, let me show you. It has these right here, but I'm not really sure how these even work. It's just a little tough for me, but nonetheless, I'm gonna keep it that way. I figured I'll keep the packaging for now to see if we can figure that out. It does say that's kind of how it goes. I mean, regardless, I'm gonna put the instructions inside. The only thing that does concern me is if I'm supposed to use this, I need to be able to figure that out, you know? That's kind of what you would do, but that's tough. Anyways, I'm gonna set it off to the side. It's really nice. I really like it. And I'm actually gonna warm myself up some food. I think that's gonna be it for today. It was a pretty short one, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you wanna watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Mwah.